Agile software development. What is Agile? Agile is the ability to create and respond to change. It is a way of dealing with and ultimately succeeding in an uncertain and turbulent environment. The authors of the Agile Manifesto chose Agile as the label for his whole idea because that word represented that adaptiveness and response to change which was so important to their period. It's really about thinking through how you can understand what's going on in the environment that you are in today. Identify what uncertainty you are facing and figure out how you can adapt to that as you go along. So, the next is what is agile methodology in project management? The agile methodology is a way to manage a project by breaking it up into several phases. It involves constant collaboration with stakeholders and continuous improvement at every stage. Once the work begins, teams cycle through a process of planning, executing, and evaluating. Continuous collaboration is vital, both with team members and project. So next is Scrum process. Scrum is an agile development methodology in the development of software based on an iterative and incremental process. The primary objective of Scrum is to satisfy the customer's need through an environment of transparency and communication, collective responsibilities, and continuous progress. So next is Agile Waterfall. Convinced that they are implementing the agile methodology, many teams still continue carrying out the waterfall methodology. It is essential to be clear that projects that follow this methodology have well marked, well marked and sequential phases, documentation of requirement, design, development, testing, error correction, and final adjustments, as well as know in advance how the final solution should look like. A common mistake of agile teams that previously worked with waterfall is that they only divide the development phase into 2 week sprints, leaving out the rest of the phases and wasting all the benefits agile offers. Therefore, when updating or migrating methodologies from waterfall to agile, it is essential to forget about the phases and focus on the practice that agile spirits. Thank you.